Are you looking for a lift chair? Here at Gold Mobility, we have the largest in-stock selection of lift chairs in Saskatchewan. Hi, I'm Aaron from Golden Mobility in Saskatoon on Faithfull Avenue. We have Saskatchewan's largest in-stock selection of lift chairs. Did you know that not all lift chairs are made the same? There's different sizes, materials, and features. This lift chair is made by Golden Technologies and is called a Maxi Comfort Junior Petite. It's meant for somebody about 5 foot tall and below. This is the Golden Technologies Relaxer in large for the taller clients. This is Pride Mobility's Viva lift chair. Has a few features like power head pillow, power lumbar, separate back and foot control. Choose an in-stock lift chair and get 10% off, as well as free delivery. We have 40 lift chairs between our 2 locations in Saskatchewan. You could take yours home today. So remember, 10% off all in-stock lift chairs. We have the largest selection of chairs in Saskatchewan. Come and see us, 3150A Faithfull Avenue.